together, she became the best of me. Had me singing songs all night long, like the birds up in the trees. Oh, but love had run its course. Once the fire burned the coals, couldn't keep us warm anymore. That's when I knew I had to go. Oh love, oh Lord, come in and close the door. I need you both to have a drink with me. It's the least that you could do after all you put me through. Can't count how many nights I couldn't sleep without wanting you to talk to. Oh, forgetting what I act like, I'm forgetting who I am. And everyone around me seems to think you got a plan. Oh, you're starting to make me wonder as I'm walking down these streets. It seems like the plans you made, but they don't look so good to me. But I got this funny feeling that you've seen the worst of me. You see me drunk and loud and passing out face down on the backseat. Oh, I've been trying to be a good man. It's been years I've been lost at sea. Could you come on down from the cloud? Could you have a drink with me? Oh love, oh Lord, come in and close the door. I need you both to have a drink with me. 'Cause it's the least you could do after all you put me through. I can't count how many nights I couldn't sleep without wanting you to talk to. Come in and close the door. I need